it's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf, we the baddest. And as they say, connect.
Yo, yo, yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S gamer here with not a reaction. Yeah, today, guys, today we are here recapping with a clip from the live that Deva Bratt vented and get some things off him chest because him say him sick and tired of Cartel go up an interview and I put him name down in a bad light all the while, even though him never have to do it. So these are all Deva Bratt words. Let's jump on the video and make you hear what he's saying. But before you do that, please make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel if you're new around there. Let's get into the video. Let's go. Let me just address one thing in the chat. Moderators, if them not be offensive towards any of the artists, them make them comment go on, man. Make them comment go on. Enough black comment them if them not be
no, do not block any comments
offensive
because listen,
towards the artists.
brother, make one comment because guess what? When God our no man can tap it. Me never trouble nobody. This onslaught is deserved. You hear that? This onslaught is deserved. And I hear so the brother still do the same thing again. I don't know how old is this interview with Wayne Marshall. But me hear saying still say the same thing. You know, say trouble. Look at letter part 2.
Because that was my next question. Are you
Look
finished
up
with
letter from hell part 2 then. Una ramp with me. Pussy will not take me for. Me and no pussy, no time, no day, no way. No time, no day. Me a madman. Only keep on stop fuck with me. Now go drive me crazy, you know.
Alright, that answers my question. Because that was my next question.
But you know, listen to this. Me now go ease up until I prove it say. Deva Bratt is not what you are saying me is. And you is what you are trying to say me is. How much you have bet say me can prove it, dog? How much you have bet, Mr. Treacher? How much you have bet? You just below me name and stop saying them pussy clotting about me, dog. Me I tell you, dog. Travel the road that me depend. Travel the road that me depend, dog. Travel the road that me depend. Keep fucking with my name, dog. Keep fucking with my name. Me a madman. Don't fuck with me, dog. Lord Deva Bratt name alone. Don't fuck with me. Me have my daughter, dog. You think you can? You think my daughter, dog, me drop you down in a hole and call up the buildings and everything for me and you. You idiot? You drinking? You fool? Dog, me have a bumbuck like that out of respect and love. I mean, I want you to come up and see an idea like that about I and I. Stop it, rude boy. Me I warn you. Stop it, rude boy. Me I tell you that. You are violate. And I go for the people away. When I say, me not trouble with it. I make you come up and talk to you. Me and my name never send it, never make uno talk to her, the public. I gotta put her in front of my phone and say, chat to the world, on my phone. I mean, I have to go near, I mean, I have to say, don't say this or don't say that. Whatever she wants to say, she say. Who now pussy clout ramp with? Who now pussy clout ramp with? The evidence is there. Me say, yeah, fuck pussy clot. Lisa I from Jan 15. She come say, Batty man. She come say, leave me name alone. Don't make me drop you down in a hole of that. Me drop you down in a hole of that. That's cool. Love and unity, me I try to say. Live a family life. Be a nice person. Enjoy life, the breeze, the beautiful air, the rivers. Don't make me throw my life because of you, dog. I mean, come for your pussy clot, dog. Don't run with my name. When you're not going to diss me like that out of all the things that we have pussy clot. When you do in a Gaza, you have to tell people about you create Gaza. Oh, you ever create Gaza when, I'm just show the people that know if I'm not lying, I tell you. Let's sing the song when you put more empire. It named Deva Bratt lead out put more empire. The guns bring a barrel in our entire. When me entire, me run the entire. Here at the tabernacle and the entire. Boy, violate Deva. You know, no sense, chicken it. I want to the French fire. No, when know yes, I never just say a prayer. Can't go with gun and vampire like a vampire. Me gun so dog. I don't know Vybz Kartel the song I kill if you never know. The song when you put more Empire it a kill. I don't know and Vybz Kartel. Who sing the song we say? Listen, who sing the song we say? Them are in a tilted Corolla. So them are rolling a tilted Corolla, man, in a inspire. So them are Batman away since higher. Not even Cartel realize that him are dead in the song. The fuck is going on? I already know I act like him no know. So how you ever create Court Empire when Court Empire is killing? Whosoever me did a war with at the time, you buy out the war with me. Cause you know me never attack you know, me never give a fuck no. My sister you and Bunty them there over there sound now holding a dry. I'm on there on the ground and suffer like dog. I eat mackerel and rice every day, me and bum buckle at top one. Eh? Run to Westchester. Remember, so when the war are going with you and Lynchburg, I'm sure the people are say this is guys are ungrateful youth. When the war are going with blood clot, Vybz Kartel and Lynchburg, you know what man do? Alright, nuclear get shot. Every man, one piece of scrambling are going, everyone I run up and down, everybody do nuclear, everybody, one piece of excitement. Boom, alright then. So the man say peace reasoning I go on. Guess where the peace reasoning go on? Go on a Deva Bratt yard. So that means that be a bad man come around a Deva Bratt yard and hand me them bumbo clock things where them have and go around in one part and go reason without no violence. Deva Bratt is not a punk dog. Me not a punk. Teacher, remember them things when you have to buy out war dog? Bill. Remember say all of the money we are war with. You know them the whole we grow up. Come on now, no man. Come on now, no man. Leave me respect on the top of the earth, good boy. We have put down my respect down in the ground for good boy. Come on now, no man. You know you're not perfect. You're not perfect. You want me to hear out your shit, bumble? You want me to hear out your shit, nigga? Remember say I fuck Big Ten from she 14, pussy. I want a 4. I tell the whole water 40 I'm gonna talk it now. And everybody gonna say, Rasta, that's what we're talking, remember? Big Ten, big like so, big like truck. Like so. But she a blood clot young girl. Remember you fuck it, what the fuck you do? We have to time ago. You know my business with nobody I come. You the dog, be a friend of the dog, stop be an enemy, stop be a devil of the dog. Why you make me have to do this? Why you make me have to show you? Why you make everybody have to show you a little mustard seed like everybody have a crumble, a bomb clot, bigger than an empire we have? Where your teeth and go on with it? Mr. Me tell if you go on with it, I'm going to go your roast, brother. I swear, humbleness is the key, my dog. That's why God give me back this chance. You come out of jail, you go to church, you get pussy. You know about God? You think me don't know what you do? Remember somebody there jail in a pussy wall. Me there jail, you know. And guess what you have to do? You have to pray to God and beg him to take you out and tell him say you have a change. You remember you say when they come out? I same thing me do. But guess what? I fall short too. Because me never give him as much space, but I tell him say, yo, man, I adore your name, God. If you get out of this place. Me know it. The world we go, everybody will go to jail. Know it. So how you go to jail? You pray to God, you come out to say give everybody, you forgive everybody, but you come out and tarnish Deva Bratt name alone. Out of everybody, your friend back Bunty, where you calling this, you beat up man. Dog, even Wayne Marshall, where you had the bumbuckler interview with dog, you style the man and the man said, dog, I can't believe that I really Vybz Kartel, I said anything about what the man shoot you and dog, you fuck up everybody meds, dog. You're not gonna fuck up my meds, and that is the problem with you. You know you're not gonna fuck up my meds. You know you can't call me dumb. No boy can't call me dumb, dog. Me not afraid. Me ever have me blade. Me ever have me blade. Me not afraid. So if you are looking for somebody to afraid of your dog, this is not the person. If you are looking for somebody to agree with you when you ask something wrong, this is not the person. You know never but already when you are part, I say, please, teacher, don't be him on them. Don't do this. Cool down. We're bad in music. Cool down. I don't like the excitement. I like the sound excited in my lyrics. But I like calmness. I like beauty. And you're not going to chat your dog. You're not going to talk me from live good businesses and rich in a life, dog. And let some things in my data. Leave my name and stop drag my name. All right, me hear out some of your shit. Me have some more files. Don't me go for no more. Where's the about music now, boy?
Oh God, man. Jesus Christ. I just didn't say nothing. I just want you to vent and say what you said, my fam.
Fucking right, man. You have to vent, man. Batty, man. Them not a picture. Them not a picture me, I push my woman over to with my tattoo. We never have tattoo. So we are starting, brother. Leave me alone. Leave me the fuck alone. Where's the bomb music now, boy? Me done. Come on, clean. Once me vent, you know. Once me vent,
You done.
go
Yeah.
calm down again. Alright. That means me I therapize myself. Me have my own therapy when me I do. Me now got push my mouth and not say what me need to say. But then, me know say yeah, after me release that, me reggae. Already. Already. Alright, so where's the number?
All right. So you also mentioned letter part second of forward now then.
It have to go forward because another wall drop again. So another wall have to drop again. If you dig wall, dig two. You now go box Deva Bratt and Deva Bratt now box in your pussy back. Or suck your mama.
Is it gonna be a thing where every time him go on an interview or say something
Every time me hear my name tarnish, I answer and come up with the whole of the argument. Find me my youth, army I go find you. That is why it is. Simple. I'm in for the other day. And let me tell you something, people. This is no hype in a dog. This is self-badness. Me not talk about a man, me talk about you have your friend them. Me talk about you yourself. Come for Deva Bratt, come lick me in my face. Or Deva Bratt, come for you yourself. And you tell the people, them say, watch out, my brother forward, move. Let me get to the picture, dog. Top drag my name and I get to show you love where you forget you. Stop the fuckery. I don't say me I show you love where you forget it. Show you respect as a person, because anybody can make mistakes, dog. Why not? You know, say this is a reason, something for a reason, dog. For sure, strength, because too much weak people in the earth. Too much, no more superhero that exists. No more, you know what I mean? No more Marcus Garvey. No more Martin Luther King. Nobody now stand up for nothing now. But I got to stand up for I, respect, and I, Irish in the earth. You're not going to drop I, Irish like that, old boy. You're a big man in the world. Millions of views, you're one gone. Don't you die. That's cool. All right. Tell us if you apologize. You know, apologize. We know say you've been scared of Deva Bratt attitude. Cause me dress nice, look, you know me dress better than you, boy. You know that? Come on now. You will vote more now. You know where them vest there and then big shoes there. You know what design I'm go. I'm a broke like dog. We just love image. And your bad mind that. We go and sing, and me pull up, look up at dress down here, me notice here, look. Brother, that's cool, man. Love is everything, man. You can't control everything. Some people are just above you in certain things. Yeah, you tell when you're legal. Let me show you something about control. Let me tell you something about life therapy, my youth. It's illegal, dog. It's a fucking, that you there. When they found them a student first, he said, yo, you need to go work for yourself. You don't know how to project. You don't know how to project, and he went and he worked on it. And no, you think I got bad mind if he bust bigger than Deva Bratt right now? Me have to make sure all that in myself and control that. The people who need to understand what going on in the world, in the earth, who need to control yourself too much, who need too emotional and not controlling your emotions. Most Jamaicans just blast out their emotions easily. Control, bro. And everything will be good for eat, good for talk. And any pussy out there want to have us in the farm, I'm going to suck your mama. I mean, tell teacher for the blood clot, drag my name. Eh? We expect me for bomber clot, though. Make him walk over me. You a sheep, me no sheep. Me a leader. What you do to me? What you try with me? You're worst gamer. You're best you fuck.
Oh man, vent if you have vent, bro, man. Vent if you have vent, man. Vent if you have vent, bro.
And you man have him son them, dog. And you make me feel dragging him. This is very degrading and disrespectful. I want to send a message to him, two son them, dog. Deva Bratt, respect the eye father to the ground when step on, otherwise from the fuckery when I try with my career. Una my nephew, and that will never change. You hear that? That will never change. But until an old man fix him joy and fix himself, trust me, Deva Bratt are going to drag him to. Remember that.
Trump, I not that man. I not that, bro. He must say he must say every time the G get a chance to come on an interview, he mention a name in a negative light. So he might defend himself trouble. You wouldn't make nobody.
I mean, I have to defend myself with verbally, dog. Fuck the, I'm afraid of people.
Yeah.
My youth at church.
Respect for the super chat, G. Respect for the 10. We see a forward pan dance a seat. Big up, dance a seat. We see a forward over there, and them ask you about those are medicine. Where you say a piece on those and then we see forward and drop a song.
Obviously, because he need to get re-energized.
Yeah.
That is one of the empire them where him get dormant because the mindset where you have to, when you around you, if you don't want them around you, don't keep them around you. But anyone in around you, motivate them and give them a strength. Alright, me don't want to see you. If me not give a strength, or me not rate, or me not have nothing to give you, or me not have good thinkings or great wishes for you. Me don't want to see you, dog. Because you got to turn me for go in the devil mood for you think something bad because me not like yourself. Me are going to go in the meds that to try to think evil against you or think unfair against you. So when people around you think fear against them, I help them. So that's why I'm calling blood clot name too. You know why I'm calling him that? Him no one give me flowers because he depend on teacher. I'm done telling that already. See? Him depend on teacher for be is shining armor. When he don't give a fuck about those medicine. You get me I say? So those are medicine. Don't worry yourself. As who fix you are your intelligent self, well up yourself too much and can't DJ with the people. I will shoot you in a second. Hold on.
Right. So there you have it, guys. The full live will be pinned at the end. Well, the full live is pinned now on the screen. So please go and check it out if you want to watch the whole thing. The live was about Cargo and Deva Bratt. Cargo versus Deva Bratt, but the thing just swerved at one part when Deva Bratt joined the live. So there you have it. Go and watch the full thing. It's 3 hours long. All right. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace.